Hey, today I got some free food from the food distribution or truck or whatever that brings food for the COVID relief. So let's check it out. Today I got some food. It says milk. Okay, check it out. See what this is. Ooh, 4 gallons of milk. Wow. Okay, what's this? Alright, we got rotisserie chicken, potatoes, apples. Ooh, that whole case of yogurt. Cheddar cheese. And hot dogs. Onions. And a bag of oranges. Cool. Wow. So there it is, unboxing my free food that I got for the epidemic. Alright, there's my video. Check it out and subscribe. Check out my YouTube channel. Alright, later.